This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Shauna Lane. Oh yeah, it's one of a kind. This is a must-see for first-time homebuyers or investor portfolios. Conveniently located in Bromley Neighborhood of Norfolk. Featuring an open floor plan to include new carpet, fresh paint, a nice backyard, storage shed, and more. Close to Interstate, shopping, beaches, bases, and more. Schedule your showing today. Don't let this one slip away. For more information, review the details below or contact Shauna Lane at 757-300-1569.